Engineers need to visualize what they're doing. The chance to come down here and build something and see it really opens their eyes, and it's really driven forward the design process.
Being able to come into a space where you can actually pick things up and feel them and test them and touch them really contributes to how much you know as an engineer and how you design buildings in the future.
As you go further down that path of cutting-edge design, you find that you're really doing something that isn't very well defined. That's the kind of space that Concept Lab hopes to answer for designers that are coming up against the limits of what's possible. And so I think that's our ultimate goal.
So at Fast Epp, our core purpose is to advance structural design and propel the architectural imagination. So this Concept Lab is meant to be the physical manifestation of that core purpose.
To be curious and to challenge convention.
And also it just like creates quite an element of fun to see what is going to be built.
The structural design at its core is more than just sizing a column. It's thinking about the entire building and the design process to make a structure really sing. I think the Concept Lab is a wonderful space to develop your idea into a tangible item that you can then share with clients, architects, owners, and really sort of push your idea forward so that they understand it. There's intentionality to how the space is laid out, with develop first, the material gallery where we can explore ideas, brainstorm, sketch, then fabricate, mock it up, test it, see how it looks in tactility, and then test it on the structural testing frame.
Having a place like this really allows us to do in-house testing as well as grow our relationships with outside researchers to really help support our own designers, but help bring the industry forward as well.
If you step upstairs in the building, you'll get to our digital hub, where we have computational designers innovate on a digital facet. And then a really exciting piece at the end is our 3D robot. It'll enable more efficient structures and increase the knowledge that contributes to the safety of these buildings.
So Concept Lab is really about being an idea-generating space. Not just for Fast Epp, it's meant to be a space for the industry.
Concept Lab is definitely a place that can help educate both internally and externally.
And we invite everyone to come to this space.
Come to Concept Lab and we can work towards bringing that understanding.